Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition and its accessories. If you are new to channel, subscribe and hit the like button. Without wasting much more time, let's get begin. This is the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. Unlike other action cameras, this action camera comes with two camera modules. One is 4K boost module and another one is 360 camera module. This makes Insta360 One RS unique. You can interchange between any of the module and also add option to upgrade the camera modules in future. The battery capacity is 1445 mAh and battery standby depends on with which module you are shooting with the videos and with the resolution. Inside box you will get a Type A to Type C cable and also an camera mount case. This is an silicone made 360 module camera protector, which helps 360 camera module from getting damaged. One can easily switch between both the camera modules by inserting modules in RS core. You can also find the memory card slot, which can be expandable up to 1 TB, and also Type C port for data transfer and charging. You can easily switch between the display screen for front and back video shooting. Inside the another small box you can find the user manual, stickers and one microfiber cloth for lens cleaning. This is SanDisk Extreme 128GB memory card. Insta360 One RS record in 4K and 6K resolution, thus required an high-speed memory card. This invisible selfie stick helps to capture the third person eye view from Insta360 camera module. This selfie stick can be stretched up to 111 cm, which is more than enough.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
With 360 camera module, you can capture the 360 view of surrounding, and you can also choose the desired video frame while editing in 360 mobile application or Windows software.
Cody. Perfect.